Welcome to Hongsheng Saw Manufacturing Factory, located in the high-tech industrial park of Shiyu City, Jiangxi Province, covering an area of 6,000 square meters. It is a modern enterprise specializing in the production of various saw blade products. Hongsheng has advanced facilities and a professional technical team. With more than 100 employees, including 30 mid-level and senior technicians, we provide you with high-quality woodworking band saw blades, double-sided saws, narrow-band saws, wide-band saws, stone cutting saws, frozen meat saw blades, and band knives for paper, leather, foam, fabric, and other materials. We focus on the quenching and tempering process of high-carbon steel strips, and at the same time introduce high-quality alloy carbon steel and high-nickel alloy materials to provide a strong and durable base material for various saw blades. Advanced production equipment includes punching machines, grinding machines, gear arranging machines, welding machines, and tooth tip hardening equipment to ensure that each saw blade meets precision standards. Years of industry experience have enabled Hongsheng to continuously update its technology and equipment and produce in strict accordance with Chinese national standards such as YB T506-2R7, JB T80871999, and related national standards for cold-rolled steel strips to ensure the excellent quality of each product. Hongsheng Saws Manufacturing, with its high-quality products and professional services, has successfully served many industries. We will continue to be committed to expanding the global market, improving product quality, and creating greater value for our customers. Hongsheng Saws Manufacturing, your trusted expert in band saw blade manufacturing.